Hey loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to share with you the latest item that I got from Louis Vuitton. And I'm also going to share with you why I have opted for this specific item. So if you're interested, just stay tuned. So like I have mentioned in the intro of this video, I'm going to share with you the latest item that I got from Louis Vuitton. I also did an unboxing of this item. I'm going to put the card just right there, as well as a link in the description down below, so you have an idea how it was packaged and how it arrived. So now I'm just going to reveal to you the item, and then I'm going to share with you why I have opted for this specific item and what I think about it. So like I've mentioned, the item is from Louis Vuitton. So as you can see, I have in here in front of me the dust bag. I don't have the box because it is at home, because as you can see, the background is different because I'm currently on holiday, and I was like, you know what, I'll take this opportunity to film a video. So here I am. So that's why I just have the item and the dust bag. So this is how it looks like. A quick reveal of the item, and the item is none other than the latest SLG from Louis Vuitton, and this one is the key pouch in the size small. So I'm just going to show you how it looks like. So this is the first side, and then the other side, the bottom part, and then as you can see, I have it in here, the ring, and then zipper, which glide so smoothly. Mine is, I'm not sure you'll be able to see, but this is the back part and where I can put some cards, and mine is was made in France. And then I also did a check in here if the stitches are okay. So as you can see, you cannot see any light. It means that it was perfectly stitched. So this is how it looks like. All the details are also mentioned in the Louis Vuitton website. So now I'm going to share with you why I have opted for this specific pouch, well, the size small, because as you all know, when it came out in a size small, medium, and large, and I opted for the small one because I think with those three sizes, this is the more versatile one. To be honest, it's the same size as my mini pochette accessoire, but in a more slimmer version, which in a certain way, what was I searching? Because to be honest, I really love my mini pochette, but sometimes when I use smaller bags, it's just a tad bit, large, or at least it takes a lot of space. So I was like, you know what, when this one came out, I was like, wow, perfect. So I immediately went on the website, but to let you know, it was already sold out. So I kind of like waited a few weeks after when it went out online again. I purchased it, and it mentioned that it was in pre-order. That's why I received it I think 2 weeks later than when I have ordered it, because as you all know, these pieces are immediately sold out, and I think most especially the small one, because of the price tag as well. In comparison to the original key pouch, you just add a few more euros and you have a bigger version in comparison to the key pouch. Okay, so yeah, so that's why I have opted for the small one, like I've mentioned, because I think it's the more versatile one, at least for my personal use, since it's the same size as my mini pochette accessoire, but in a slimmer version. I know I'm repeating myself, but yeah, I think that kind of like resumes it all. The fact that I love my mini pochette accessoire, I know that I will love this key pouch in small version because it's just the perfect size for my daily use. Of course, if you need a more detailed review of the product itself, you can put it in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to do that, most especially after using it for a while. And I will do a more detailed comparison after using this for a while with my mini pochette accessoire, and all in all, which one of the two I really like the most. I'll do that in the near future. So yeah, so those are just really the reason why I have opted for this one. because it's more versatile for me for my daily use, and then size wise it's a lot easier to use this one. And then thirdly, the price tag in comparison to the normal key pouch and the other key pouches as well. So lastly, my first impression upon checking up the item itself, like you have seen already, as always, zipper is very smooth. For what I can see as well, the detailed, I love the fact that it has this chain, but I think it's an okay sturdiness of the chain. I've heard that the medium one, but unfortunately I cannot confirm because I haven't seen it in person, that the medium one has a better chain than the small one. The only thing is it has the same size, so I think the size for the small pouch is a lot better than the medium one. And then as for the stitching, well, for my pouch, it is perfect. Like I have mentioned as well, I double checked the inside where I can put the card. It is perfect. And then I did the the stitching verification, and as you can see, like I've mentioned earlier, no white line here. It means that it is nicely stitched, and then the glazing as well is perfect. So yeah, to be honest, first impression for the product itself, I love it. No defects or whatsoever. Just the only thing that I saw when I unboxed it, but afterwards I watched other video and pictures, search on other pictures, and kind of like same as mine. But to be honest, at first when I opened it, I was like, okay, this part on the side is not, straight. They are more tapered outside, like an A line. You see, I don't know if you will be able to see. And then at first I thought it was, a defect, but not at all, because when I looked on the other videos, other unboxing or review videos of this item, as well as on the picture on Instagram and everything, they are all kind of like, tapered like that. So it was reassuring. And then the side there, yeah, just great. So first impression, very happy, and was glad that I have been able to score one, because I know that this will not only be sold out, like it was already before I purchased this one, but there will be a price increase, and I better have this one at the current price than to get it in a few months or few years time with a higher retail price. So there you have it. So there you go, guys. That was my quick first impression and reveal of the latest item that I got from Louis Vuitton. If you have any questions or need some info, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them if I could. And also, I hope that this video has entertained you in a certain way. And if that's the case, please give this video a big thumbs up, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. And then lastly, for those of you who are enjoying the contents of my channel but aren't subscribed yet, feel free to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my future video, as well as a updated review of this item and a comparison video as well with my mini pochette accessoire. So until then, I hope you all stay safe and see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.
Música